please explain, for the record and for our audience, the danger in comparing this with influenza? The president has again pointed out the annual death toll of the flu as if to indicate that anything less than that is great news.
Well, first of all, I'm not sure that it's going to be less than that once this fully plays out. We're still looking at probably a case fatality rate, best case scenario, in the 0.5% range, which is still several fold higher than a traditional flu. But I do think this is different. This is something to which people have never had any chance to build up immunity. They've never been exposed. And when something is new and different, that is also scary in a different way, because in part, we as scientists don't have all the answers. We don't know for sure.
We're learning on the fly.
Yeah, exactly. We're learning on the fly. And so I do think that's a little bit different of a situation.
And apparently it's so virulent that the points of contact you can infect as an active flu patient are just a small portion of your level of contact with this, correct?
Yeah, it does seem to be quite an infectious virus. So that makes it that much more difficult to control, especially since some of the people who may be part of that problem are asymptomatic or minimally symptomatic.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.